Seeing the volume, there you go, order filled. Finally. Hello everybody, Oli here, and have a great day ahead. So we have some selling opportunities on crude oil. Let's just quickly get our orders ready. We have some stop goes above this one, and in terms of take profit, goes back to the lows. So we know that this is just a bear market. Who thought that the crude will be trading in $11 and $10 range? So here we are. So we have a new low, then we have this big buyer, we have some sells over here as well, and someone around here, I think somewhere around $14. I'll just check, it's in the other account, I'll just check it later. So we have one more opportunity on crude oil now. A huge sell-off, almost tested $11 handle, and then finally we have some profit taking. Since I'm out also from this profit taking, now what we want to see, that exhausted move up, stop above, and take profit underneath it. So that's what I want to see. I want to see exhausted move, like what had happened here. Exhausted move, the price is grinding it way to the down, and all of a sudden we have some huge spike, and then it starts back again slowly and slowly, right? And then makes a new low, makes a new low, makes a new low. So every bull attempt is being shut down, right? So here we have a doji, inverted hammer, and then finally the price, as said, goes back up again. So now again goes back and slow, back and slow. It's just a matter of time we see some $10 handle, and frankly I want to see $10 handle. I was not expecting that to happen today, but it may happen. So looks like it will happen today. 18% drop just today, and I don't know, now maybe 22%. So let's just wait and see how price reacts to it. But this is just a buyer's attempt to the upside or profit taking, and sellers will finally take this market down to hit the new lows. So let's give it some time and we'll catch you later. Very close to the target now. Some profit taking again. All we need is some time. Hopefully this candle will do it, or maybe 5-4 minutes, 1 to 2 more candles, maybe 10-15 minutes. We need to be very aggressive here because these are late entries. These late entries means you need to move your take profit aggressively as well. Doesn't mean if you are a late entry trader you need to go for a bigger target. No, if you're a late entry trader, if you're trading aggressively, you need to move your stop losses and take profits really aggressively. So I'm hoping this candle closes at the lows, and then I can move my stop loss to break even plus 10-15 points, so I can make some from it, because we haven't risked anything. As soon as we enter the trade, hardly 13 points we risk, right? So I'll make sure that I make 13 points at least after the closure of this candle, because there are still 2.5 minutes for the bar to close, and it doesn't seem like it will be closing somewhere under this low. So we'll give it some time again, and we'll see how things will go. But the plan here is really simple, that we'll move our stop loss back to plus 13. So in this case, that will be the amount that we risked. At least we got it back, and we'll hope for the price to achieve our target. And final portion for the previous trades here, which are still running, will be at $10. So we'll see how this bar closes. Take your time. Crude oil. Seeing the volume, there you go, order filled. Finally, we got our order filled on crude oil. Great trade on crude oil. Seeing these buyers showed up into the party, and you know what exactly to do, right? One candle, exhausted move, just sell it. Stop above it. We gained 1 to 1. Let me just see. 68 points on crude oil. Great trade on crude oil. Just buyers showing up, and that's what you don't want to see. You don't want to see buyers showing this exhausted move. Anytime if there is a downward trend, the price is moving slow and smoothly, okay? And all of a sudden we have a spike up, okay? Just fake it. It's a fake breakout. You continue selling it in case if this is just a one candle. Remember, okay? Seeing the context of the trade. Keep on selling, and then the price retrace a little bit back to the EMA, drops it back, and then again if you have huge drop all of a sudden, don't continue to sell it. Same way what happened here, it may happen just here. Okay, take your profits out from the trade. When in any direction, if it happens in the up direction or downward direction, doesn't matter. If it is happening in one candle, don't believe it. Stay out from it. Okay, if you're in the trade, take your profits out. If you see the biggest candle of the day, take it out. Similar case here, as we see here, we have a nice downward trend, some retracement, all of a sudden buyer's movement, don't believe it. Huge candle, don't tell it. On the other side, buyers are showing up in the market, I don't believe you. Crude oil, $11, and you're showing the buyers are there, maybe under $10, okay, I may consider it. But at 11, that too, they just front run it, just hardly maybe 11.9 maybe, I don't know. So all of a sudden we have these buyers. Nah, follow through, nah, nothing. So what do? You sell it, stop above it, and easy 68 points on crude oil. So that's it. Hope you learned something, guys, and stick to the rules, stick to your trading strategy, master one strategy, and try to just see where you can apply it, and what are the drawbacks, how you will manage it once you get the market goes against you. So that's all. So it's easy. Just make yourself a trading plan. Take a pen and a paper and write down your trading plan. Write down your trading strategies, that what strategies you want to trade, what pairs you want to trade, which forex side you want to trade. You want to trade crude oil, you want to trade gold, euro, anything. So that's it. I hope you learned something, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.